Creating hyper-realistic product mockups no longer requires Photoshop or complicated design skills thanks to AI tools. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mockup AI. Then open the website and navigate to the Mockup section. From there, go to the packaging category and select the pouch option to explore different ready-made mockup styles. Choose a pouch mockup that fits your product branding, then upload your design. For example, a coffee powder label or any packaging artwork you want to visualize. After uploading, adjust the placement of your design directly on the mockup to make it look natural and professional, and customize elements like the pouch color to better match your brand identity. Once everything looks aligned and realistic, check the preview to see the final presentation. When you're satisfied with the result, simply click the download button to save your high-quality product mockup. This AI workflow makes it incredibly easy for creators, e-commerce sellers, and small brands to produce professional packaging visuals in minutes without using expensive software or advanced editing tools.